guys, it's your girl Lana here, back with another video. So today I'm just gonna be playing with some slime because yesterday was my best friend's birthday, and yeah, yesterday was her birthday, and it was her birthday. So happy birthday to her! And she also gave me just a little bit of slime, and this is how much I got. It's pink. I was thinking about changing the color, but then I changed my mind because it is a really cute pink hole. So I don't think I'm going to change the color unless I do one day. But I'm going to keep it like this. And yeah. So sorry about the lighting. I just have like natural light. Okay. So I just have like natural light. And sorry if I haven't been posting in a while. So let's just get right onto this video and let me stop talking. Okay, so this slime is a pink color. Oh my gosh, the light. It's like a light pink color. It's very crunchy. It's very crunchy. And it is very stretchy. And it is very pokey. So yeah, so let's just get right onto this video. Yeah. Okay, you guys, so hold on. I'm going to show you how to make a bubble. Well, not a bubble, but like make it super crunchy where you can squeeze it super hard and it's super fun. See, look. You guys hear that? Amazing. And also, again, if you hear noise in the back, then I'm sorry. And if you don't, good. I'm trying to charge up this, I'm trying to charge up my tablet. So there's a charger right here. So if it ever pops out, no, my bad. Okay, let me stop talking and get right onto this video. I'm gonna add some hand sanitizer. If that just made it harder, I'm gonna be mad. It did. It made it harder than it was before. But it's scrunchier. Even more scrunchy. Okay, you guys can sit and watch this slime. I'm gonna go get my lotion. Got it. Okay, so I had to go to my dresser, or my desk, I mean, not my dresser. What am I saying? Okay, so I had to go to my dresser to go get this lotion. It's a really good lotion. It's a Sky lotion. It says Sky on it. So yeah, it smells really good too. I'm only going to use just a little bit because it's my favorite lotion. Oh, that's not a little bit. That's a lot. I didn't mean to. I was paying attention to the tablet. I didn't mean to, but it's okay. I put way too much. Way too much. Oh, gosh. It's so like, ugh. No, no, you. After I mix it in for a little bit, it's going to get better. You can just watch me mix it in. Why would I put so much lotion in it? Oh, okay, it's mixing in. Getting better. Okay, 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 okay. Ooh, oh. My favorite slime, if you guys don't know, sticky slime. I'm sorry if I said that like in almost every video, but my favorite slime is really sticky slime because I really like sticky slime. It's really fun, even though it sticks to your hands and stuff like that. I know how to get it off, and some people, I'm not just saying like you guys, but some people don't know how to get it off. That's why I really love sticky slime, because it's just fun to play with, and it's sticky, and it's amazing, and it's crunchier. It's you have more pokes, so like when you poke it, it's louder. So let me just stop talking and let's get. Okay, that's enough. 7 minutes into this video, about to be 8. But anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Did you do it? Comment down below if you did it. Make sure when you comment it down below, hit the subscribe button. Also, when you're getting the video a big thumbs up, make sure you hit the subscribe button and make sure it is on gray. So once you hit the subscribe button, it's going to be on gray, okay? Okay. So then after that, then there will be a little tiny bell next to the subscribe button. The bell will look like this. Hold up. The bell will look like that. The bell will look like that. It's a flower on it. Okay, anyways. Make sure you hit that bell next to the subscribe button. Make sure you hit what bell? Huh? What'd you say? Oh, he said hit all. So make sure you hit all so you'll be notified every time I post a video. And also sorry that I haven't been posting in a while. But anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. Bye. Bye. Peace.